Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to solve this robotic process automation challenge, which is called data migration. So basically, we have to interact with a web application, which is called BCBs, is an employee database. So we have to migrate the data available here in this legacy desktop app, and we also have data coming from an API. So I'm going to show you the manual process. You look for the employee ID, search the employee number here, get all these fields, first name, last name, and other information, and you fill these fields. And from the API, you get also this information of the employee, and fill this form, and at the end click the submit button. I'm gonna show you the manual process. Here is the Windows desktop app. Here is our goal application, which is this website. So for example, let's refresh quickly. We have employee ID 1009. So we need this data. So we search here the employee ID, get all this data, and put it back into this form. And there is also information coming from this API. So the number is 1009. So we have here this data. We also have to catch it and send it back to the phone number, start date here. Start date, phone number. So yeah, this is basically the process. Now I'm going to show you the solution. We have to iterate 10 times, which is a challenge rule. Here we have the Automation Anywhere implementation. So we start our application, this application. Let's clear it. Then we loop 10 times. It is a requirement. Then we get the data from the application. Get property is all of this stuff. Then we request the API. We get the data coming from the API, and finally we insert back into the application. We check this, then we check the API, and finally we complete this form with the data coming from the former application. Finally, we check the submit button. So here we go. I'm gonna close everything so we don't get errors. Okay, here we go. Run. It is downloading all the dependencies. Here we go. Okay, start the application, get the employee number, get all the data. It's correct. We see that pop-up correct. That green pop-up telling us that the data is correct. We iterate 10 times because it is the rule of this challenge. And we get data from the application, from the API, and send it back to the website. Okay, here it is performing well, correct. And finally, okay. So here we have, here we completed the challenge successfully. So we spent 47 seconds filling the data of 10 employees with an accuracy of 100%. So our data is 100% correct. So yeah, this is the solution of this challenge. So thank you for your attention and until next time.